Well, you might be asked about your personal experience of learning a language. You might be asked what qualities you think you have that will make you a good teacher. And you might be asked how good you are at organising your time.
Well, you can do the pre-course task, which is different questions about language learning or language analysis. And you can consult different recommended texts to prepare you for the content of the course. You can also work out when you'll be free to do the different assignments and the work on the course. But I think above all, you should work up that enthusiasm and that excitement for a new learning experience that you're about to embark on. I think that you could perhaps expect to be a little bit nervous, especially if this is the first time you teach, but that's perfectly normal. You'll get plenty of support from your tutor and also from other trainees. You'll be working as part of a team. You can expect to teach different levels on the course, and you can also expect to get to know your students as people as well as language learners.
During the course you receive careers advice. After the course you will be included in our Facebook group for our graduates, and we share local job opportunities there. We also have an annual workshop, which is also a little get-together for all of our graduates, and that's a great opportunity to hear about what everyone's doing.